Hello lovelies, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am in the picturesque, peaceful and delightful spot of the Sierra Cortina, which is in the municipality of Finestrat. This area is in the province of Alicante on the Costa Blanca. I have an exquisite new development to show you today that comprises of just 5 villas. Now these villas are actually on a plot starting from 396 square meters, which will be the villa that we're showing you today, but they actually do go up to almost 700 square meters. And the actual villa itself is 144 square meters. They offer 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and are distributed on 2 floors, give you beautiful outdoor spaces to enjoy this gorgeous climate. So let's begin the tour. Hello. So as I come in through the pedestrian entrance, it brings me directly into the property, which in this model is a plot of 396 square meters. You have your door, but you also have your electric gate, which would allow you very comfortable entry onto what I like, which is this roofed and very comfortable parking space that also functions as an outdoor garage. On one side, you also have your pathway, your pedestrian pathway, which takes you up porcelain stone steps and into the expanse of what would be your garden. So at the front of the property, you can see that it's been landscaped with natural lawns, and also you have those small trees there that are bordering all of your fences that will mature and give you more intimacy over time. I really do like the fact that they have decided to go with a natural lawn, because it gives you that real soft feeling on the feet, but what's really nice is the smell as well. So your gardens actually surround the home, and you find that you also have outdoor terraces that you can enjoy this gorgeous climate. On this side you have your outdoor living area. It also then brings you onto an even larger terrace where you have on one side roofed if you're wanting to dine directly in the sunshine but not have too much. This door is the door that actually leads from your open plan living area. You also have a very spacious rectangular swimming pool, which is 7 by 3. And you have steps that go down on one side, leading into the swimming pool, where you have your deeper side at the other end. On this spot, you also have your outdoor sun lounging area, a continuation of your natural lawn space. And as you can see, yes, the lawnmower is there, so the garden maintenance man has been out today mowing the lawn. Here you have again a continuation of your bordering trees and a great little gate there if you're wanting to go and explore green zones. Fantastic for dog walkers, I would imagine. Now I'm going to take you to the front door of the property, so we're going to go round the way. Along this side pathway again, which is really nicely shaded, which you will need in the months of August, I would imagine. And then you also have right here access to your front door. As I come in through the front door, I am met with a light and bright inviting entry. Next to the front door you have your video intercom system and also the additional alarm system. But here I am in the hall about to enter what is the open plan living room, dining room and kitchen, the heart of the home. On the ground floor you will find that this living space altogether is 35 square meters and the ceiling height throughout the home is 2.7 meters. On this wall here you can see that you have your air conditioning system, which is hot and cold and runs also throughout the home and is accessible from all rooms. This is a beautiful incorporation of the spaces being open but also separate zones. You have here your living area, which you also have next to it your floor to ceiling doors that open out and give you direct access onto that lawned garden. You also then come into this beautiful nook, which is a separate and yet also unified space of the dining area. Here you have a table that is set to dine for, and you have 2 walls of windows here, with these sliding doors opening out and giving you direct access onto your outdoor dining terrace. You also have great views of your garden and beyond. But what I also love is your kitchen. Here it features a central island which is long. You also have within it your cooking hob, as well as above your extractor. You have cabinetry underneath, and then over the way a continuation of that. So you have the refrigerator and the freezer on one side, which is integrated. You also have your oven and your microwave, countertops here, along with your kitchen sink, cabinetry above, and also your dishwasher here below. But what I really like is they've thought about the functionality within the distribution, and they have also included your hidden laundry room, which is also fully equipped with a washing machine, as well as a kitchen sink and your boiler. So sustainability has been something that they have focused on within the home. So you will find that it has an Energy A certificate, and all of the appliances are in line with that. Coming along the way, I'm now going to take you to where you will see the guest bathroom. They've decided to go with a grey and a white colour palette throughout the home, and you'll find that there are porcelain stone flooring as well that are of that light grey effect. You also have the first of the 3 bedrooms. This guest bedroom gives you the option of having it as a bedroom or as an office. It is 10 square metres, and you have their floor to ceiling patio doors that again give you access directly out to the garden. Taking you up the stairs to the first floor, and this floor has been dedicated to the bedroom quarters. Going into the second bedroom, it is light and bright with a similar type of feel to the previous bedroom. On one side you have your integrated wardrobes. You also have a really cute, beautiful balcony terrace there to also use. So if you're wanting to take out a little coffee in the morning, as well as taking some views. This door also leads to a fully equipped ensuite bathroom. So coming out of this bedroom, which is really well illuminated because of the windows on both sides, I'm now going to take you into the hall and along the way to the primary suite. All of the bedrooms are a good size, so you could quite easily use either as the primary. This one though offers 21 square metres. On one side you have your integrated wardrobes, and on the other side you also have patio doors that give you a really lovely terrace to enjoy. Now what's nice about this terrace is that you have 21 square metres where you get to have the upper perspective of panoramic views. It gives you there, beyond the green zone and the trees that you see that can never be built on, views of the coastline where Benidorm skyscrapers begin. You also get to see the mountains of Finestrat and also the peace that we're actually in, set amongst this natural backdrop. Coming back into the primary bedroom, I'm going to take you along the way past the bed and also show you where you will find the his and hers, or her and her, or his and his, ensuite bathroom. Again with a similar feel, it is modern, bright and rather inviting. In just 10 minutes from the beautiful villa that we saw, we can be at a lovely tapas in the heart of Benidorm here. This just goes to show how easy you can be right in the heart of the vibrance and the culture of this region in a matter of minutes. This is one of the many beautiful tapas restaurants that I come to in the old town in Benidorm, where you can get, whether it be fresh seafood, fish, or even meat. Beautiful tapas dishes elaborated for your eyes to feast on and your mouth to enjoy. Here I am on Levante Beach, or should I say, the beginnings of Levante Beach. This beach is popularly frequented by many an expatriate and is very popular with the British and the Dutch. Very busy during the day, vibrant and a bit risque at night, but still has a beautiful setting in the sense that it spans over a kilometre, gives you crystal clear waters and beautiful sand. The entry and the decline into the sea is fantastic. If you don't like the beach or you want to get out of the sand as well, there's a lovely promenade that overlooks it with shops, restaurants, bars and places to while away your day and your night all day long. The nitty-gritty. The property tax or EB is €1,500 per year. There is no community fee and the refuse is €150 per year. As you can see, this is a contemporary, modern and Mediterranean home. This is a beautiful project and actually the properties are already ready for delivery. So if you're looking for something that's going to be ready in a short turnaround, then this might be perfect for you. Also, Finestrat as a whole is a beautiful location if you do like outdoor recreational activities, but close to all your amenities and good points of interest. You have great towns to explore nearby, like Benidorm, Altea and more. You're 35 minutes away from Alicante Airport, so if you like to travel, it's also very handy for that. And you have beautiful natural landscapes to enjoy all year round. The Sierra Cortina is also a prestigious area within Finestrat, so you are guaranteed to be safe, comfortable and around really nice neighbours. So if you like the property and you'd like to know more, then please go to our website, which is spainhomes.estate. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. My name is Nikima. It was a pleasure to see you again and we'll see you next time. Hasta pronto.